To start, in guided buying, we create a requisition with a non-catalog item. We provide values for all the required fields to create a line item, providing name, category, description, price, and quantity. On the checkout page, we provide additional needed data such as the need by date and ship to. In this demo, we are manually setting the accounting, but this data is normally defaulted from the commodity code chosen or from the user profile. Note: an error message appears if not all information is submitted correctly, in this case, a supplier. The requisition is submitted for approval. In this demo, we are bypassing the approvals, and the requisition is auto-approved. The requisition is in ordering status, while the data is sent to the ERP to create a PO. The ERP PO is sent back to Ariba, and the requisition is updated to ordered status. We are now in Oracle, and I'm in the purchasing menu, and we want to go into the purchase order summary. If we select the supplier, it will show me a list of purchase orders for that supplier in reverse order, the latest being at the top. If I then open PO 1436, it's showing me supplier site, the item that's been ordered, the quantity, and the price. Further down, scroll and click on the expected shipments, and it is at the line level. It is showing me that it's going to ship to Atlanta. It's showing a quantity of 1 and the need by date, and if I click on distributions and scroll across, it is showing me the charge code that will be posted to when the invoice comes through. You can see here the requisition has successfully been received by the end user receiving the goods. Here, we also have a view of the PO and the history log showing the PO has gone to Ariba Business Network. In this example, we are invoicing on the supplier's behalf. We are choosing PO-based invoice, locating the supplier, providing the invoice number, and matching it to PO 1436. Once we select Invoice 1436, the system copies over data from the PO to autofill fields. We review the submitted invoice. Now we are in the purchasing menu, and I want to retrieve the purchase order to see the receipt against that purchase order. So again, the supplier, if I go in, it's Graham Mosley. It will show me the list of purchase orders. The latest one is at the top, and that's the one that we are interested in. If I click on the Open button, it shows me the header and the lines, and now if we scroll down and click on the Shipments button, it will show the shipment. If I click on the Status tab, it is now showing me the original order quantity. we have received that item and it has been billed and invoiced. So that purchase order line is now completely closed and it is fully received and invoiced. Here you can see the payable screen and also the invoices. After clicking the supplier name, we can see the invoice. It is now showing me the invoice for this supplier, and this is the invoice number 1231. The amount is 10. There's no tax on this, and if I scroll to the right, it displays it will be paid by check. So in order to pay the invoice, I click on Actions and OK. It is now going to generate the payment to Oracle. Choose GBP and click on Save. Here we have a pay document in scheduled status, and the system is waiting for the information from the ERP to confirm payment in order to update the payment document in Ariba with the remittance information. We can see the payment remittance coming into the system with the Import Remittance task. When we return to the pay document, Pay 1231-91, it now has the transaction field populated with the PMT14 document. The payment document now shows status paid and is populated with the payment remittance information provided by the ERP.